Welcome to Playbot Pro. In this video, we're diving deep into user management. This powerful feature allows you to work efficiently with your team, streamline workflows, and elevate your customer service. Managing a high volume of customer inquiries can be challenging for a single person. That's why Playbot Pro is here to transform the way you work. Our user management system lets you build a strong support team that's ready to handle customer inquiries with speed and accuracy. With Playbot Pro, you can add multiple team members to manage customer queries efficiently. Your team can work together effectively, respond faster, and handle a large volume of requests with ease. Playbot Pro doesn't just stop at adding users. It automates the assignment of conversations to the correct team members. Assigning conversations to the right team manually can be a time-consuming and challenging task. That's why Playbot Pro offers a powerful bot workflow feature to automate this process. With our workflow bot, conversations are automatically assigned to the right user or team, ensuring faster responses and improved efficiency. When a customer's query is simple, the bot takes over. But when they need more personalized assistance with issues like payment problems or delayed deliveries, Playbot Pro seamlessly transitions the conversation to your team. After resolving the issue, the conversation can return to the bot, ready to guide the customer if more questions arise. Playbot Pro allows for seamless assignment and reassignment of customer queries. When a user's query is solved by one team member, the conversation can be reassigned to another team based on the customer's needs. For example, a patient contacts a healthcare provider asking about symptoms they've been experiencing. The conversation is assigned to the general medicine team, who provides initial guidance and recommends a consultation with a specialist. The patient then asks about specific treatments related to their heart condition. The general medicine team reassigns the conversation to a cardiologist, who can provide more detailed and accurate information about heart treatments. Go to the User Management section in your Playbot Pro dashboard. Click the Team button to create a new team. Once created, you can add users under the team to organize them effectively by team-wise structure. Click Add User. This will open a form where you can enter the user's details. Fill in the user's name, email address, and assign them to a relevant group. Carefully assign permissions to the user based on their role and responsibilities. Conversation permissions. Assigned. If given this access, the user can see and manage only the conversations assigned to them. Unassigned. If given this access, the user can view all new, unassigned conversations and assign them to the right team members. All. If given this access, the user can view and manage all conversations across the business. Closed. If given this access, the user can view completed conversations for reference or follow-up. You need to assign conversation access based on the user's role and what best suits your business needs. Template permissions. If you want the user to create and manage templates, grant the Manage option. To allow the user to view and send templates to customers, select View permission. If the user doesn't need access to templates, choose Disable to restrict this feature. Bot permissions. For users who need to create or edit bots, give them Manage permission. To allow users to view bots without making changes, select View permission. If the user doesn't require access to bots, choose Disable to block this feature. Contact permissions. To let users add new contacts, view existing ones, and initiate conversations, assign Manage permission. If the user only needs to view contacts, select View. Automation permissions. To allow the user to create broadcasts, manage auto-reply bots, or set up templates, assign Manage permission. User permission. If you want a user to manage team members and add new users, you can grant them Manage user permission. Track leads. The Track leads dashboard displays all leads captured through WhatsApp, prioritizing them based on lead probability and recency. WhatsApp analytics. This provides insights into messages sent and delivered to customers. WhatsApp settings. To allow the user to manage the WhatsApp account for the business, such as catalogs, carts, and flows, grant WhatsApp settings access. Billing and management. To give access to subscription and WhatsApp billing management, assign billing management permission. Once you've customized all permissions, click Save to finalize and create the user. After the user is created, an invitation email will be sent to their registered email address. For example, John, a newly added team member, will receive an invitation from Playbot to join the RevMax business team. Here's how John can proceed. Check the invitation email from John's email. Click on the Accept Invitation link in the email. This will redirect him to the Playbot sign-up screen. Complete sign-up. Fill in the required details and create an account. Alternatively, for a faster sign-up, John can use Google or Microsoft sign-in options. Verify email. A verification email will be sent to John's email address. He needs to verify the email to activate his account. Sign in to Playbot. Once verified, John can log into Playbot and start working with the RevMax automobile business team. Now let's go back to the admin account. In the admin account's shared inbox, I'll select a conversation from the unassigned section. For this demo, I'll click on Leo's conversation. Leo has booked a test drive and needs more information about the car loan. So I need to assign the finance expert John. To do this, I'll go to the top right corner and click on the Assign button. A pop-up will appear with a list of users and teams. I'll select John and click Save. Now this conversation is assigned to John. Now going to check John's window. John will receive a notification, and the conversation will appear in his shared inbox. John can assist Leo and provide a solution to his query. Uses all conversations and selects Leo's conversation with John. They can track and monitor the conversation to ensure everything is going smoothly. This allows the admin to check the progress and ensure that John is providing the right solution to Leo's query. At any time, the admin can go to the user section and update user permissions as needed. This allows the admin to adjust the access and roles of team members based on the current requirements. If the admin needs to remove a user, they can do so from this section as well, ensuring proper management of the team. Stay connected with us for more videos on automating your business with Playbot. Thank you for watching Playbot.